Hello there. Today I'm going to talk about the backlink, a very critical parameter and a backbone for any SEO or a geo campaign. But when I talk to marketing leaders, there is always a hesitation to invest in this channel. Reason? ROI. What is ROI? What business metrics or KPI it addresses? Right? As a marketing, I guess, analyst, somewhere I see we are not able to articulate or demonstrate the clear metrics. What we have been talking about always is that it helps to improve the domain authority of the website. And people have been accepting it, but now the times have changed. I mean, that doesn't help anymore, right? People need to see the real results, right? So there's a gap here. We need to fill that gap. So we have been working with multiple clients, B2B, SaaS, tech clients, and trying to understand what metrics, we can demonstrate, which builds confidence with marketing leaders. So we have come out with a report which we share with our clients on month basis and continuously iterate based on the feedback to show how some of the elements or parameters are progressing based on the backlink campaign or whatever the pages where we are acquiring the backlinks. So let me show you one such report here. You can see on the left side the report, right? This is for one of the client for the last 6 months, but this is repeated on a month basis. It tells you how many URLs tracked, how many keywords are tracked, how many backlinks are planned, how many actually acquired, right? And then go on to explain what is the impact on top 3 position and first page. It is exactly for the pages and the keywords where we are acquiring backlinks. This is not general, right? So you can really see there is an impact in last 6 months, 300%, 48%. Similarly, overall visibility is growing on page 1 rankings, top 3 positions, and so on. You can see everywhere we are showing growth there, right? And then quality of referring domains, right? You can see most of the domains are acquired 41 to 70, right? Some are 30, 40, and some are even 71 to 100. So maintaining very high quality of backlinks getting from the very relevant domains, right? And this just shows that how month basis we acquire backlinks, give more details with keywords and how their position change, how their position is changing. So it was not ranking at all. Now it is on first position and so on. So you explain the keywords and then page authority. This is a very important element which we normally miss. We call out website domain authority, whether Google cares for page authority. So we check that which pages we are applying and page authority is also improving. That helps to move the needle and on the rankings, right? And some key findings are given so that we can take necessary actions next time in the next campaign. And it tells you where are the gaps, where you're doing well, right? And we also show some category-wise keywords, how critical keywords, how they have improved over a period of time. Right? Here it was on 4, now it is on position 1, and so on. So various keywords are explained on the SERP. Similarly, we also look at the LLM side also. Right? So we see overall visibility score has gone up for the client, right? And in their key categories, client is doing number 1, visibility on AI engines, and some places second positions. Some mostly in the first position our client is there, right? And you can see impact on earned media, right? See, citations are coming from earned media. Maximum my client is getting citation from earned media, and we are there. And that's one other impact of backlinks, right? And as you see, as compared to competitor, our client is the highest right now, because this is a continuous process which we are applying, not to just backlink, but also to improve the brand mentions on the third-party sites. So it helps to improve even the visibility score and so on. So this is, and you can see we use some guest posts. We only do guest posts because the link insertions can be spammy sometimes, can be cheaper, but very spammy. So we only do guest posts and see this Now guest posts have been used to not only do the brand mention, as well as it has been used to give the uh, backlink. This is the backlink to the site, plus there is a brand mention. So both the objectives have been met through this guest post and so on, right? So like that, some examples have been given, and then we share a very, transparent report with a client every month. You can see here January, February, June, and all that, right? Which referring URL on which target page, which is the anchor text. Anchor texts are always long tail keywords, right? And not at all stuffed keywords. That's very important. And referring domain, what is the DR, what is the traffic, right? And whether it is indexed or not, when it went live, and so on. So very detailed report is shared so that it gives a lot of confidence to the client and to us where things are doing well and where we need to improve. So this is just to tell you, whenever you are hiring an agency or using your own team to build backlink investing, make sure that you ask these questions and look at some of the metrics which is very aligned with business KPIs, so that you really, it helps to grow real business or revenue from the website. It helps toward that, and just not done to improve the authority. Hope you find it useful. Thank you.